keywords matter for YouTube Shorts? Immediate answer, yes. So well done if you're watching here for the moments that happens to be the size of a TikTok or a YouTube short video, you can swipe off. But some context here. Adding some additional words, key phrases, explanation of the video helps YouTube teach the algorithm very quickly who this is relevant to.
Very interesting.
The way the YouTube algorithm works is that it goes based on viewer behavior. So if there's me and 10 people that interact with YouTube exactly the same way as me, every time I watch a video, it will show it to those 10 people because they might like it as well. And what these tags do is it identifies who those 10 people are a hell of a lot quicker, because YouTube Shorts have a shorter half-life. In other words, they have to be on the YouTube Shorts shelf. They have to have an impact as quickly as possible, otherwise people get bored, and the metrics build up very quickly on YouTube Shorts. It needs to understand what it's doing as quickly as possible to push to as many people as possible, but that also means that by the time 100 people have swiped through, if YouTube doesn't understand what it happens to be, then in theory, it doesn't know either, so it just bury the video.
Neat! I'm gonna die alone!
So giving it a good title, descriptions, some tags, helps it understand what that video is and goes to find those 10 people. I've generated a checklist on how you could make sure that you optimize your video to the best of its ability based on 1,000 hours of research. Check out the video here.